Who has taken most wickets in Test cricket? Muthaiya Muralitharan. Who has taken most wickets in ODI cricket? Muthaiya Muralitharan. Who has the best bowling figures in an inning in Test cricket? Jim Laker. Who has the best bowling figures in an inning in ODI cricket? Chaminda Vas. Who has the best economy rate in Test cricket? William Atwell. Who has the best economy rate in ODI cricket? Joel Garner. Who has the best bowling strike rate in Test cricket? George Lohmann. Who has the best bowling strike rate in ODI cricket? Lun Gin Giri. Who has the best bowling average in Test cricket? George Lohmann. Who has the best bowling average in ODI cricket? Rashid Khan. Who has bowled most number of balls in Test cricket? Muthaiya Muralitharan. Who has bowled most number of balls in ODI cricket? Muthaiya Muralitharan. Who has taken most 5 wickets in an inning in Test cricket? Muthaiya Muralitharan. Who has taken most 5 wickets in an inning in ODI cricket? Waqar Younis. Who has conceded most runs in Test cricket? Anil Kumble. Who has conceded most runs in ODI cricket? Shahid Afridi. Who has taken most dismissals by clean bowled in Test cricket? Muthaiya Muralitharan. Who has taken most dismissals by clean bowled in ODI cricket? Wasim Akram. Who has taken most dismissals by LBW in Test cricket? Anil Kumble. Who has taken most dismissals by LBW in ODI cricket? Wasim Akram. Who has reached fastest 100 wickets in Test cricket? George Lohmann. Who has reached fastest 100 wickets in ODI cricket? Rashid Khan. Thank you for watching.